is Jesus? Who is he? Who is he? That 2,000 years down the line, you are here congregating and praying in his name. Who is he? You never met him. He was a Jew who, according to the Bible, never traveled for more than 50 kilometers. He was in Nazareth, he was in Bethlehem, he was in Jericho, he was around Galilee. He did not have internet, he did not have Instagram, he did not have WhatsApp, no phone. But today you hear, you say that he has taken your life. Who is he? He only preached for 3 years. The 18 years between age 12 and 30, we do not know where he was. Who is he? Who is he?